Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of Father and Son Ferrari Rescue. Today we hope and pray we can get this airbag issue corrected. We've been gone for a month, so our last video, I'm glad you liked it. Seems to be doing pretty well. But today we're gonna go on the assumption that Ferrari down in Calgary, the car did go down to Calgary, and they told us that the dome light was the culprit. The airbag, passenger airbag light was the culprit. So I ordered those when I was on holidays, and by the time we came back, I had to wait one more week, and the parts are here. So let's tackle this.
All right, let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so I took out the sticky, messy stuff. Like, oh, it's not that bad right now, but look at that, how it comes off. Just a mess. So this is what Ferrari diagnose is broken. And to order the part, this one is no longer available. So it kind of tells you which one it is. And it is superseded by a new part. So that came in, and let's put it in. Ferrari says is this passenger Ferrari light, and they said that wouldn't short out for them, so hopefully that's what fixes it. Okay, here we go.
Is it? No way.
Didn't reset it.
Oh my.
Great.
Oh,
there's
no
$1,000 gone. Unreal. Hey, Dominic?
Yeah, unreal.
Oh, I don't think we'll ever get this done. Okay, let's see what we can do. Unreal. Okay, so I ran the error codes, and we're getting an error code that says ground to fault to ground. So couldn't reset it, nothing's working. I went on the internet, and by chance, I forget the gentleman who on YouTube had a video about a BMW having the same fault. And so I kind of said, okay, I'll watch it. Watched it, and what the problem was a fuse. So what Dominic and I are gonna now do is go through the fuse. I went online to the workshop manual and looked whatever fuses operate the SRS system, the airbags, and we'll check those and see if we got power to them. Okay, so that's all I got. Let's see if that works. Okay, let's pop the glove box. Now, the workshop, I haven't really looked at the fuse box ever on this thing because I've never had any reason to. So you just open that up, and it looks like, okay, that came off easy. Oh, there's one broken clip. That wasn't from us. That's from previous ownerships. So we have fuses here. Okay, what we're gonna do, we're gonna test every fuse and kind of see what we get. Works. So we've checked the fuses, all of them light up on this board. Now Ferrari says there's more behind here. I'll have to investigate how to take that off. Okay, so I'm gonna leave that on. You can go through a small window to the side here. I can't see them all, so I'll have to do my best and check them out. Okay, I'm kind of bent awkwardly, but let's just see here. Okay, we got one that works. Okay, and let's see here. I think sometimes it's just the connection that I'm trying to get. Okay, so that one doesn't want to work. Okay, so we do have a blown fuse. I don't recall reading anything that was for the SRS, I believe, over here. I thought it was mostly in here. I can't remember off the top of my head, but... Okay, so let's pull that fuse, Dominic, and see what we got.
We're testing the tester on the good fuse. Let's see if it works here. It works.
And it works. Okay, Dominic, let's grab the fuse that we pulled out of the box here.
Let's see. I need a.
I know they're
This
small.
is 7.5.
Okay.
You can see that. And so let's test it out.
Nada.
Nope.
Zip. Broken. So yeah, it was hard to see the fuse because it's so dark, but I couldn't really make out if it was blown or not. So good thing is to have one of those testers. Bad fuse, good fuse. Bad fuse, good fuse. It's going to be hard to get this back in. It was hard to get out, but I imagine it's going to be even harder to get in. So, hey Dominic, show them our little portable AC unit that we have.
Right there.
It does get hot in Canada, and right now it's stinking hot.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this, buddy. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, I think that's in. Yeah, nice and tight. Okay, so I can't remember, but I don't think that, like I said, I mentioned that fuse to me, the 7.5, doesn't say it has anything to do with the airbag. So let's see what we got. I'm going to leave it apart and see what we get. So what's the wager, Dominic? What do you, really? What do you bet this doesn't work?
I bet in $10 this doesn't work.
$10.
$10.
I hope it works. I hope it works. You know, watching Matt Armstrong videos, it's always electrical. And yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I don't even know what to say. We replaced everything under the sun. So this is it. I'm hoping. Yeah, I'm just hoping they shorted that out when they were testing it.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Airbag on, airbag on, airbag on.
No way.
Airbag is off! Yeah! High five,
Yeah.
buddy! High five, high five, high five, and high five!
Let's go.
Woo! Unfriggin' believable, guys. It's off.
Finally.
That's what we needed to finally get this RIB inspection done. Well, I have a few other things to do, but that was literally killing us. We couldn't move ahead. We could not move ahead and get this car imported into Canada. And now
We finally did it.
Yeah. Thank you, YouTube creator that did a BMW video on the same fault. So thank God for YouTube, guys.
Yeah.
It can help. All right, let's keep her going. So as I mentioned, of the little things that I had to do before the inspection, I had to make sure this maintenance airbag is in English and French. Got to make the government happy. So another thing that was on my mind, I read so many reports on the Ferrari forums that when you get traction control issues and also the switch on the steering wheel issues, it's usually this $30, $40 brake light switch that's underneath. So this is the old one. I've already crawled underneath there. It wasn't a sight to see. Wasn't fun. I was bent upside down backwards like a pretzel, wasn't I, Dominic?
Yeah, you
So
were.
I replaced that. The only thing that's in the way is this little heat duct. 2 bolts, take it off, and then when you lay on your back all contorted, you can actually just and pull that out. So the new one's in, and we'll see if I get any more errors back. So hopefully those forums didn't steer me wrong. Okay, I'm gonna fire up the launch and we're gonna see what errors we get. Of course, I still have that nasty e-brake fault that I caused. I should have blamed it on Dominic, but it was me. Okay, so ABS fault. That's gonna be the parking brake signal sensor. and I'm not even going to bother clearing it because we know. Tire pressure monitoring device. I do have it working, so I don't know why that comes up, but I think it might be because of the parking brake. So it says no can message, but also might be because the car is not running. Okay, and because I do know I have that working parking brake. We know it's the fault from before, read fault, calibration error. It's stuck in the calibration mode. We'll discuss that in a little bit. And what else do we got? Parking brake system. Yeah, I get a fault on here too once in a while, the steering wheel. And I'm wondering if it's anything to do with the fault that we have with the parking brake. Because if one computer isn't letting that message get through, sometimes it affects other ones. So airbag is, I scrolled past it, it didn't even get my attention. Airbag, no fault codes. So we're good. Let's see here. So I do have the green wrench, which is the service light. So let's try and reset that real quick. Hopefully it doesn't bug or anything up like the parking brake. Maybe I should leave well enough alone. Special function. Oh, reset service. See, there you go. So guys, it's under instrument cluster, right? Isn't that what I said? Yeah, instrument cluster, special function, reset service. And did I get rid of the green wrench? I think I did, Dominic. Oh, darn, it's still there.
Really?
Yes.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Thought. Function not correctly ended. Okay, we'll figure out that later. Okay, let's move the lovely Ford F350 diesel 2008 in beautiful shape. Let's move it out of the way so we can get the Ferrari out, Dominic, because we got lucky. You know what happened?
What?
We phoned Canadian Tire. They do all the NIV inspections and they can get us in today. So
no way.
We are gonna go get this thing inspected and hopefully signed off.
Yep. All right.
Beautiful. Want to hit our truck?
Yeah. Okay, you're good. You're good.
Oh! Guess what?
What?
Airbag light came on.
No way.
Haha, joking!
What? Oh, come on.
Wouldn't that be the way?
Yeah.
Here's our RIV form. We have to take it to Canadian Tire. They're gonna fill this out, sign it all off, and we are legally allowed in Canada with this vehicle. So let's get to it. Got her, buddy!
Yeah.
So it's done deal. You know, it was an easy process in and out with Canadian Tire. I'll be honest with you, Dominic did come with me. We just did the drive up on the driveway just for dramatic effect.
Yeah.
But we were both there. Took about what, half an hour, 30 minutes?
Yeah, I would say
The guy came out and got her done. So I guess what happens, it only costs us $6. You pay for a tire levy when you come across the border. So very cheap. I don't know who gets paid for what, but very good. And I guess what happens, they put this piece of paper in and gets submitted, and then we're gonna get a little sticker in the mail from what they say, and we put that on the inside of the door, and the car is legal.
Yep.
So guys, it's been a long journey to get this airbag light off. So happy, as you can tell. Both Dominic are just extremely happy that we finally got this done. You know, we did notice when we were driving this, so this car's got to go back on the lift next video. We noticed it's chugging a little bit in 7th gear, and I saw the traction control light flashing, so I have no idea what that is. And also oil leak. A new oil leak sprung up on the passenger side just by, I see a little bit of spray up by the CV connection to the transaxle. So happiness going forward, always a step back with this Ferrari. So next video, we're gonna take that off and hopefully get the parking brake reprogrammed. Yeah, reprogrammed. We'll go into that next video, and we'll look into where this oil leak's coming from, and what else did I say was an issue? And also look into what's wrong with 7th gear. I'm wondering if it's a wheel sensor issue. So
yeah.
Other than that, guys, see you next time. Say goodbye, Dominic.
Bye. It's finally over. Airbag finally done.